In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to find the PIN or the password for your HP DeskJet 2800 printer series. You may require the PIN if you need to access the embedded web server or AWS for the printer. So here's how to find the PIN. The PIN can be located on the label on the cartridge access door. You can find this label pasted on the cartridge access door. Besides the cartridge access door, the PIN can also be found on the info page that can be printed by pressing on the information button. The printer pin is found over here. So these are the two ways that you can find your printer pin for your HP DeskJet 2800 printer series.